Let me show you the most common repairs on window blinds. First one is the pleated shade. Restringing. Slide the rails out. Get a piece of wire, bend it in half. Slide it through the hole. Get the new cord. Feed it through the wire. And into the shade. At the other end, tie a knot so the cord does not slide out. Slide rails in. Get the cord through the cord lock. Adjust the cords. Mini blind, pretty much the same thing. Get a piece of wire, slide it through the holes, put the cord through the wire, and then pull the cord through the slats. Go through the bottom rail, and through the plug, tie a knot. Replacing the tilt mechanism. Very easy. Slide the rod out, pop out tilter, pop in the new one. Slide rod through. That's the two common repairs on mini blinds. When replacing a continuous cord loop on pleated shades or mini blinds, pop out end cap, feed the cord around the sprocket, place cap, done. On vertical blinds, very common is to replace the broken end control. This plastic one will replace this one. When you get the new end control, pull the chain out from the old one and then just feed it through the hole. That's the vertical end control. Vertical slat. It's broken at the top. You can order one of these. Vane repair clips. Done. Cord tilter. You get a new tilter something like this. And the cord, you use your old cord. Or a new cord, pull it through, the hole that's in the sprocket, wind the string around about 5 times, one direction, the other direction, feed the cord through the hole. Install new tilter.